Activity number 2. What are the pros and cons of using a balanced spin serve versus a forehand smash in different scenarios? A forehand smash can be powerful because the tensions are increased strong rotations, which creates an ideal body posture for a white-line smash. How would you evaluate the effectiveness of a particular serve or spin technique in disrupting your opponent's game? So, in opponent's game, it's how and often struggling to return it clearly. Spin serves can be highly effective in table tennis and many players consider them to be better than flat serves for several reasons. How do different paddle types and surface, like for example tacky and anti-spin, affect shots accuracy, speed, and spin control? So tacky surface excel in generating and controlling spin while anti-spin surface excel in neutralizing the opponent's spin.